Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be our August favorites. So if you're anything like me, obviously you're like, where did time go? August came and went, now it's gone, and we're doing August favorites. What type of mess is that? I don't even know what to say, but we're doing August favorites here. I have some products that I use for my hair, and then I have some makeup products, and we're just gonna talk about it, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I thought and what I have been obsessed with all month. And it was funny because I was just watching my July favorites to make sure that I'm not repeating products, and I was like, I say the word obsessed like a million times in that video, so I'm going to try not to say the word obsessed 10 million times, but I swear to you, I'm obsessed with all of these products. Just giving you a little disclaimer up front. If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, join the family, click the notification bell because you never want to miss an upload, and let's just go ahead and get started. Let's start with the hair products. You guys will see a twist out tutorial coming up very soon on my channel, and what I used in that tutorial was this, and it is aloe vera juice. It's aloe vera juice from the vitamin shop. I actually got it, I went to the vitamin shop and purchased it, and I wanted to try it out on my hair. I heard it's a great detangler and it makes your hair just feel really soft. Obviously it's natural, and so I wanted to give this a try. So I did, and I agree. It makes my hair feel really soft. It was great for detangling my hair. My hair gets super tangled after I wash it, so this was really nice for that. So I picked this up, and I am in love with the purchase that I made. I will probably use this on my natural hair from now on. Yeah, I should probably clarify that. I use this on my natural hair, not on these bundles, just my natural hair, and I actually really love it. I think it does a really great job. Like, I can run my fingers through my hair after I spray this on, so kudos to aloe vera juice. The next thing I use for my hair, and this is more so for my bundles, my curly bundles at that, this is the Garnier Fructis Pure Clean Styling Mousse, and it's a 24-hour hold. So I use this not on this hair, but another favorite of mine, which is this hair right here. So this curly hair, this comes from Unice hair, and it's Malaysian curly. I don't work with them at all, and I just ended up trying their hair. Everyone talks about Unice hair, so I purchased some bundles, and I wanted to try some more curly hair, and I actually really love this hair. I did a new deep conditioning routine. I've been wearing this for about a month, and I did a new deep conditioning routine on it, which you guys again will see very soon. So I won't spill the beans on that, but this is the hair after the deep conditioning routine, and as you can see, the curls just pop back so nicely. And what I do when the hair is a little bit unruly is I take this Pure Clean Styling Mousse, and I just put this all in the hair, and it really just calms it down and makes it look so much better. So check this out if you have not. It's like $4 at the store. Moving into the makeup, let's start with eyes. So on my eyes today, I don't have this palette, but I have like one of these palettes, and this is from the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. So I have the entire vault. I just ended up buying all 4 palettes, and on my eyes today I'm actually wearing the Dark Magic palette. So I'm wearing this one right here. This is how it looks. It's just so pretty. So I'm wearing that, but the favorite that I have for this month is actually the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I wore this I think in my Sephora recommendations video, so I'll link that video so you can see that eye look that I made. But I've made probably 2 or 3 more eye looks with this palette right here, and that palette is everything. It's nothing that I would have bought. Like, had she just come out with a palette like this and it was a single palette or any company, I probably wouldn't have bought it. But since it was in the Vault collection, this was actually the first one I've tried, which was surprising because I would have been known to probably try something like this, like Bling Boss. That one is really pretty. And then I might as well just show you the other one too. I probably honestly would have tried this one Had they not come in a Vault collection, this is the one I probably would have bought because it's just that super warm toned berries and golds and all those colors. But since it came in a box set, I just decided to buy all of them. And I tried this one first because I wanted to be different, and I'm so happy that I did. It's so amazingly beautiful. Like, just look at these shades. You have the mustard shades in there, the oranges, the coppers, the golds, and I created several looks with this month, and I am just obsessed. Sorry, but I am just obsessed with this palette. Absolutely love it. I haven't even tried the warm tone one or the Bling Boss, but I have Dark Magic on my eyes today, which is super beautiful, but this is the one I'm obsessed with. This one's in Armed and gorgeous. I also have a mascara this month, which I know I don't have every month, but this is the Essence I Heart Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. I showed this in my Shop My Stash and love this mascara. Super volumizing for the eyes, and it's actually a little lengthening as well. I have just these short, no volume eyelashes, and so this is really amazing for my lashes when I'm not wearing falsies. It just makes them look super voluminous and even a little longer. So I really like this mascara. It's like $4 too, $4 or $5, and I love the wand. I like wands with synthetic hairs. I don't like wands with like real hair bristles. I like them with these like plastic synthetic hairs, and I feel like it just looks a lot better on the eyes and it applies a lot better. So really love this. It's not a super wet formula, which I don't like at all, and I just really like this. So try it. Moving along to the face, I have the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I've showed you guys this before, and I can't believe I'm saying this, but I feel like my skin is becoming a little more dry like as time goes on, because I find myself reaching for more luminous products more and more. So today I have on the, hold on, let me get it. I have on the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and this stuff actually made me a little bit oily like when I first tried it, maybe, what was that, 6 months back maybe? And so now I have it on, and maybe since I've had it on for a while, my juices are interacting with it and it's looking a little better. But when I first put it on, it was just super dry feeling. So I went ahead and used the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and that makes my skin just feel so much better, so much more hydrated, so much more refreshed, and I really, really love that. So I've been using this a lot lately. As far as foundation goes, I have two that I've been obsessed with. The first one is the Maybelline Super Stay Multi-Use Foundation Stick is what it's called, and I am in the shade 330 Toffee, and this is like one of the best foundation sticks that I've ever used. My only issue with it is that this is literally all the product you get, maybe a little more because I've used it a lot, but you don't get much more product than this, so you don't get a lot, and I just have an issue with that. But it is only $10, so you can go out and kind of repurchase it as needed. But this is a really great foundation stick. It stays on all day and makes my skin just look super amazing. And I love stick foundations because you can like zhuzh it on real quick and you're out the door. The next foundation that I have a stick obsession with is the Maybelline Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. I am in the shade Y445, and I've done an entire review on this foundation. Click the link up there and you guys will see that video. But I did a wear test, a review, all of that. So make sure you go watch it. But this foundation is absolutely amazing. It's one of my favorites that has come out over the last few months, and there have been a lot of foundations that have come out over the last few months. But this is definitely one of my favorite. It's full coverage, but it still looks like skin, which is my favorite part about this foundation. I do not necessarily love foundations that are full coverage, that look full coverage, that you're like, girl, you look like you have a mask on. I don't really love those foundations, but this is a great full coverage foundation that I can wear every day and I don't look like I'm doing too much, you know what I mean? So love this. Moving on, what do I got here? a bronzer. I have a bronzer. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in the shade Cappuccino. I bought this probably in like March, I think, and I used it for like a month or two. I put it down and I picked it back up this month, and I'm so happy I did. I have it on today, and this bronzer is just so pretty. I really love it. This was the deepest shade that she came out with in her bronzers, so I hope she expands it and goes a bit deeper so other people can try these, because this really is a great powder bronzer formula. Here's something I never ever have, which is an eyeliner. Never have an eyeliner in my favorites video, but this is the Pretty Vulgar The Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner. That's like really a good name for it because it's super black and I absolutely love it. It's super black and it stays put all day, and you get a lot of product in this jar here. It's pretty expensive, but you get a whole lot of product. I think it's like $24 or something like that. I got it in a BoxyCharm, and I would have never tried it had it not come in that BoxyCharm. This is the best eyeliner that I've ever tried, and I'm not too partial to gel eyeliners. This is the best eyeliner that I've ever tried. Like ever in life. Like for real. So 2 more products. I have a brow pencil. This is the CoverGirl Rich Brown pencil. Oh, it's the ultra fine brow pencil is what it is. This is just another skinny brow pencil. I don't know why I wasn't like super excited to use this brow pencil, but now that I've used it, totally in love with it. Been using it every day, and just a really great everyday brow pencil. I mean, it has the spoolie on one side, it has your product on the other. Standard brow pencil, but really nice. And again, I have mine in the shade Rich Brown 705, and I love that shade. Love this pencil. Not super waxy, so it's a favorite. And last but not least, you guys know that I love the Essence highlighters, right? Essence, that brand that's in Ulta. The highlighters are $4.99, so very affordable. I'm in love with that highlighter, right? So they had the nerve to come out with brand new colors. Of course I had to pick some up. I picked up this one in particular. It's the Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter, and this one's in the shade Be My Sunlight. I have this on today, and can I say that this is the most beautiful highlighter that I've tried in a long time. For $4.99, you guys. Just look at that swatch. It is so pretty, and it's great for every day. And the nice thing about this one is that it's great for deeper skin tones. Let me get the other one for you so you can see it. So I know I've probably shown you guys this about 10 million times, but this is the first one that they came out with, and it's just their regular pure nude highlighter in the shade Be My Highlight, and it's so pretty. I love it, but I think this would be amazing for deeper skin tones. This one right here, and it's a little less subtle than this one. This one's really like that matte glow highlighter. This one right here is still subtle, but it has a little more kaboom to it. Like, again, I'm wearing it right now, and like, it's just so pretty. Like, look at it. Oh, it's just so pretty. Like, I can't help but swatch it. I absolutely love it. So that's it, you guys. That is all of my August favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And again, please don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my family vlog channel and follow me on social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and also my Facebook fan page, because those are the best ways to keep up with me in between uploads. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.